Merhaba. Bonjour, buongiorno. We have here a Rotary Technogel for ice cream. This machine is specially made to fill ice cream cup, different size. Normally the range is between 100 milliliter and up to 500 milliliter, half liter. In this case, we can see the cup, This is 500 milliliter, 300 gram, okay, for example. The machine include different station, the cup dispenser, the ice cream doser, which come from the continuous freezer. And the ice cream doser can also be connected to ripple pump to those ice cream with ripple, caramel, chocolate, strawberry. After we have a topping station to put chocolate drops. This station is chocolate, not crunch. This station is for chocolate liquid drops.
Okay.
But we can replace this station and put for nuts.
For nuts.
Yes.
Dry nuts.
Yes. After we have a foil dispenser.
Okay.
It's
Okay, I understood. Yes, yes.
a foil for heat sealing,
Okay.
and this station is heat sealing.
Okay.
So like the yogurt lid.
Okay.
Put the lid, and after close the lid,
Okay.
press,
Yes.
and ejection. This belt with yes bearings. You can adjust more
Angle.
to facilitate.
Okay.
The machine, when you use thermo sealing,
Okay.
can produce approximately 2,500 pieces per hour.
Okay.
Without thermo sealing, 3,500.
Okay.
Because thermo sealing need few seconds to high temperature to seal.
Okay.
If there is not heat sealing, the machine is faster.
Okay.
Of course, the speed depends also from continuous freezer capacity.
Okay.
Welcome.
Thank you.
And looking forward to your business.
Thank you.